Hello everyone, this is Mike Charlton reporting on a project of our land speed bike. Here's a little shot of it. We have the body mounted now. As you can see, our bike's about 32 inches tall, 24 inches wide. I don't know what that works out to as far as frontal area. Maybe someone can tell us. I'm not good at arithmetic. You can see it's a bunch of different colors. We're not going to paint the outside of this bike. We're actually going to put a wrap on it. You know, like the NASCAR guys do, just a big decal. Goes over the whole bike. It saved me from going nuts trying to paint it in his garage. Here's another shot of the wheels we'll be using. Some of you guys already saw them. They're solid aluminum. Will they work? I don't know. We're going to try them and see what happens. That's the rear one there. It actually mounts on a hub. In this front run we have a center hub steering, so that's what we'll be using on the front. There's the canopy again. We got the belts in, arm restraints. It's got about a ride height of 2 inches off the ground. Right here's the business end of it. Here's where all the horsepower comes out of. Thrust. Okay, I'll give you another little tour of the shop my buddy gave before. This corner is our machine shop. Just a little blower I had up on my upstairs in my garage. I see Max Larby runs a little blower on his Vincent land speed bike. It looks very similar to this. I don't know if it's the same kind. Somebody get a hold of him if he wants this one. I'll send it to him. Here's my tube bender we've been on the pipe with. Here's the wall of shame. Right here's the wiring area, nut and bolt area, welding shop, tool room, sheet metal fabrication area, paint room, assembly area, and that's about it. We're getting real close on this project. We are going to run it this year somehow, somewhere. So we'll try to keep you posted as I go along. Mike Charlton and Roger Killian if he was here, but he's not. He went fishing again. Signing off. Talk to you later.